It's time for another unboxing event. I'm going to unbox the Crypto.com cards, the debit cards. Check out Crypto.com when you get a chance to. And I'm going to go and unbox this. I've been waiting for this. It finally came in the mail. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain here. And let's see what we have here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The Crypto.com, the debit card. I'm telling you, I love the Crypto.com. I had the Jade, the older one, and I upgraded, so I'm really excited to see what this looks like. Oh, I can't show you. I can't show you everything, but look at this: the green Visa card, the green debit card. There, absolutely, and this looks pretty sweet. So look at this. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just showing you here. Look at that, the green card here. Got the green debit card here. So this is something I can start using. Activate it. It looks just like a regular debit card. Bam, thank you, ma'am. That's my name right there. And we get to go. And this is what the packaging is. It's just like your basic packaging. You see this? The packaging. The card was right in there. And the little instructions about it's my pleasure. Crypto.com Visa card. They say they have 24/7 app live chat support. So that's really, really good. It's really simple to do. So I'm going to start using the Visa card. Don't leave home without it. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain here, and check out Crypto.com Visa cards, and it will really be good because you can earn crypto just by using your card. I'll see you on the next unboxing event.